And that being said, Apple's iPhone production in India remains exempt for now from the US government's newly announced tariff on Indian goods. And that's thanks to a prior exemption on electronics in April 2025. That essentially means iPhones assembled in India and designated for US sale face no levies yet, even as broader trade tensions rise between Washington and New Delhi. Foxconn shipped $3.2 billion worth of iPhones to the US between March and May. Nearly all of these exports were directed exclusively to the American market. Apple's pivot to India is part of a larger strategy to diversify away from China amid geopolitical tensions. And India emerged as a key alternative supported by government incentives and, of course, cost advantages to the company posted strong quarterly earnings as people then rushed to buy iPhones before the tariffs hit the ground. Now, according to the Counterpoint research, India supplied 71% of all iPhones sold in the US between April and June, a sharp June from 31% in the same quarter last year. This shift is backed by lower wage costs and the improving availability of local components. India is now among the top 2 iPhone producing countries alongside China. The new tariff analysts have also said that India remains cost competitive when it comes to production expenses, significantly reduced compared to when Apple began manufacturing there 8 years ago. Analysts believe that tariffs are unlikely to derail Apple's India plans. Apple is expected to absorb the cost hike, especially in the US, where iPhones are often sold via operator-driven plans. This may translate into slightly higher monthly bills, not upfront price hikes for consumers. While Trump has criticized Apple's overseas production, telling CEO Tim Cook he's not interested in iPhones made in India, experts say Apple's long-term supply chain strategy is unlikely to shift, especially with new iPhone models nearing launch and supply chains already kicked in.
This is the best